How to ensure EV fire safety with shutdown procedures. Imagine your electric vehicle catching fire unexpectedly. It's a situation no one wants, but knowing how to shut down the vehicle properly can make all the difference. When an emergency happens, quick and correct actions are vital to prevent a small problem from turning into a dangerous fire. First, turn off the ignition switch to stop the electric motor. Removing the key or switching it to the off position cuts power to the vehicle's main systems. This step disables the high-voltage system that powers the battery pack, which is often the main fire risk. Next, disconnect the 12-volt battery, usually located in the engine compartment. Doing this isolates auxiliary electrical systems and reduces further electrical hazards. If your vehicle has a high-voltage service disconnect switch, often near the battery pack, switch it to the off position or remove it. This disconnects the main high-voltage battery, which is usually under the vehicle floor or in the cargo area. Waiting at least 10 minutes after disconnecting power is crucial. It allows any residual energy in the high-voltage lines to safely dissipate. During this time, avoid touching high-voltage components because they can still hold charge. If you notice signs of fire such as smoke, flames, leaking fluids, or unusual noises near the battery, act quickly. Ventilate the area by opening windows or doors if possible, and evacuate everyone to a safe distance upwind and uphill from the vehicle. Firefighters should wear protective gear and follow protocols for electric vehicle fires. They often cool the battery with water streams for several minutes to prevent thermal runaway, which is a self-sustaining reaction that can cause reignition. Applying water carefully is important because it helps lower the temperature of the battery and reduces fire risk. Remember, safety is the top priority. Proper shutdown procedures include turning off the ignition, disconnecting the 12-volt battery, using the high-voltage disconnect switch, and waiting before handling high-voltage parts. Recognizing fire signs and evacuating immediately can save lives. If a fire occurs, firefighters should cool the battery with water and monitor for reignition. Following these steps helps prevent electrical shocks and limits fire spread, protecting everyone involved. Being prepared with the right shutdown procedures is key to keeping your electric vehicle safe during emergencies.